Go fly a kite. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Go fly a kite. It's none of your business. Hello everyone, and I'm really sorry if I scared you, but this is one of the American idioms that I'm going to talk about today. In American English, if you tell someone to go fly a kite, it means you ask him to stop bothering you or to go away and not to interfere into your own business. But what you need to know that this American idiom is rude. So it's not really appropriate to use it with old people, your teachers, your doctors, or those who you have to deal with them in a formal way. You can use it only with your friends or people you don't really care about. You can tell them, go fly a kite. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please, if you liked the video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos.